Alright, this is Dwipen, and here we have seen today price form a bullish candle. So let's take a look in a small time frame, and 15-minute time frame. Price open exactly near yesterday closing price, and first 15 minutes price form a bullish candle. So again same candle they form, it's a bearish candle. So later, so here you can see three candle almost same. So after that price start running toward the upside, but one thing here, price not able to break this previous higher point, so yesterday higher point. And let's see in a small time frame like a 15-minute or 5-minute. Okay, in a 5-minute time frame we have found some entry point somewhere there, because according to the price action method, price creating higher high, higher low, and a higher high and a higher low. So when they are forming higher low, so this one they form W pattern, or you can say double bottom pattern. So after that, this is the breakout point, so this is the perfect entry point. And then let's see some entry and exit point for tomorrow. This one daily time frame. Let's find out some supporting level. So let me draw just a minute. Okay, now this one rejection point somewhere here, multiple rejection, we need a rejection point. So this one rejection point, and another next resistance line somewhere there, and somewhere here. Okay, now let's see small time frame like H1, this one, so exactly near higher point. And let me draw another resistance line, that will be our entry point. Let's just jump to 15-minute time frame. So here 15-minute time frame. Okay, okay, means we are looking for buy after breaking this resistance line at the level of 16,000. So that is our entry point. Once price break this level like that, if price open a gap up, so we have to wait for a pullback near 16,000, because it act as a resistance. So once it break this resistance line, that will be support. So we need like a pullback, so that will be our entry point. And another in a sell direction, if price gap down or price break this supporting line, so means once price open a gap down or price break this level of 15,900, okay, 15,900, once price break this supporting line, so that will be my entry point. So my next target will be around 15,700. Right, that is my supporting level. So we expecting that price may retest at this level again. So basically I'm expecting that price will break this resistance line and it will continue toward the upside. So let's see where price exactly will open. So once they open above this 16,700, so definitely we'll go for buy. If you want to see like global market, let me show you the global indices. This is the global indices future. So first the Nifty is a positive, and the Bank Nifty also positive, Dow Jones little bit positive, S&P 500 positive, and the rest of the US European market also positive. So we are expecting the price will give a correct bullish signal tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.